Hello Scratchers! Today we are making moving platforms. So let's begin. So make a new copy. Save as a copy. This is episode 7 of the Scratch Platformer series. Okay, Scratchers! So this is section 1 of this tutorial. So how about we start off? So in the first section we are making moving platforms. So let's do that. Make a new spot, naming it moving platforms. Okay, so after naming that moving platforms, let's make the platform. So I'm going to use a rectangle with an outline of 4. So I recommend you make it thin, but pretty wide. Then make sure you drag it to the center of the canvas, or else it will not be positioned properly. Then you can make this on level 2 or level 1, but I'm going to make it on level 1 and put it over here. Go into the code tab. Now get some setup code. When green flag clicked, go to X and Y of wherever you want to and make sure this is shown. If you're on level 2 though, this would be hidden. After that, how about we make it go up? So forever, repeat until we are touching the edge of the stage. So repeat until touching edge. And we want to, in this repeat until, we want to change Y. How about by 10? So how about we click that green flag? And as you see, it is up there, but we can do a glide block instead. So get a glide block. We can glide to here. So how about we do that only when we press the play button, because that's when we have that done. So where's our play spot? Start. So press that green flag again. Oh, a bit buggy, and press that play button. As you see, it is slowly going up. But if we try going on it, so how about we restore our player controls over here? So by doing that, all we need to do is 2 more if statements. We need a key spaced key left arrow and a key right arrow. So key right arrow and key left arrow. So now you want to go up to this thing here. We want a change X by speed. Scroll back down. Put that in our right arrow pressed. And go back up. And get this one too. Now we can actually use the left arrows and right arrows. So I will try to jump. Now maybe we want the moving obstacle to go a bit fast, to go a bit slower. So change this by 3 maybe. And click on that green flag. Oh. So play spot and try jumping. And as you can see, when we're touching it, we're not really doing anything. So how about we move back to your player spot? How about we get another green flag clicked block? And then under that, a forever loop. And forever, if we are touching the platform spot, then how about we want to go on it? So say now we want to go to our moving obstacle spot. So just move that up if you can't see it. Moving platforms. And now we want to change the Y a bit though. So change Y by 6, so it's just on top of it. Okay, time to test our code out. So, and as you can see, we are now on a moving platform. But how about we do that? We want to do that, repeat until. So let's do repeat until we press get a OR block. Repeat until key right arrow is pressed or key left arrow is pressed. So key right arrow, duplicate that one by right clicking, and left arrow too. So now press that green flag to test that out. And now as you can see, that is all good. But one more thing before we end this section, go back down to your moving platform spot. And we want to check if it is level 2. So do we have one of those? Yes, we do. Level 1 hide. So we can hide that if it is level 2. So when I will see level 1 hide this block. So final test, full screen mode. Click that booty green flag and click that play button. Jump on. Oh, let's do that again. Go again. Make sure we don't go too much, and then we can jump on. As you see, that is absolutely brilliant. So, okay, this will be the end of this section. So, let's move on to the next section. Okay, Scratchers, so welcome back to the next section of this tutorial. So this section we are going to do some polishing, as lots of our things in our game doesn't look that good. So how about we go to our player sprite and click costumes. Now this player looks pretty good, but he's still not as good. So I have a plan though. I have something to import, uploads. So, I have something in my backpack. So I'm going to click in my backpack and I think, yes, it's resources. Thanks to Griffpatch for this. Thanks for Griffpatch for all these sprites. The link for his channel will be in the description, and also the asset too. So I'm going to close that. And now we want all player code to be in our cat code. Now, how about we move it up a bit so we can actually send it here. So just move it up. Wish there was a shortcut to move it up actually, but it should be totally fine. And then we can move all the play code into here. So we first start with this big one. And then these. And we want our stop code too. Our space key press block. Scroll down. This one green flag click block. And our flip block too. Okay, now you delete the whole play spot and name this resources spot. This is our new player. Really exciting. So make sure you do name it player. And this is a bit messy, so right click and clean up blocks. So now it's not messy anymore. Now if we would press the green flag, well, as you see it works, but look at this. So how about we do some stuff here? Now how about we turn to face the costume? So if right arrow, left arrow. So how about if right arrow press, point direction 90, and if left arrow is pressed, point in direction negative 90. Make sure the direction is left right, or else this will not work. How about I'm going to move that up a bit, and press that word flag. Press that play button, and as you see is now turning, but well, it's not really, we need it to switch to our idle costume. So, switch costume to idle. Where is idle? Stand. That's our idle costume. So as you can see, now we have a nice costume. But we want this actually to animate. So, all you need to do is make a new custom block, name it Player, Animation, and I'm pretty sure it's one without screen to flash, and press OK. Get that defined animation. When word flag clicked, a forever block, and then in that forever block we want to execute our play animation block. And then in this play animation block we need to think it's a switch costume, think it's a plus, so 1 plus, we need our trusty mod block. On the right we need, on this side we're going to make a new variable, frames for all sprites. Press OK, put frames in here, and frames mod 16. Go back down to here, and here. So change frames by 1, and same for our left arrow key. So how about we test that out, clean up blocks, and press the word flag. As you can see, we have a sick player animation. I really do like that. But how about when we jump, we switch our costume? How about when we jump, we switch costume to jump down here. And when we switch it to this one JavaScript, which is very important. Drag them back up here. Okay, so if we press play, as you see, we're forward. Yes, I definitely do like that. That is really good, and our play sprite looks way better. How about we make it a bit smaller though? So set that size to 50. That's a bit too small. 80. Yeah, that's perfect. So make sure we set the size to 80 when the void flag is clicked. So when void flag clicked, set size to, you guessed it, 80. So we can clean up our blocks here. And let's see. And that will be the end of this episode. Hope you did enjoy it. Okay, Scratchers, see you next time. Goodbye, Scratchers.